Hi everyone. I have some progress to show you in our building. I'm going to turn this around. Okay. One, the ceilings are gone. So that ugly drop down is gone, the lath is gone, so we can see what we're dealing with up there. The shelving is gone. We will be building out a new wall all along each side here so that we can add insulation and the electric. Here's a piece of furniture, sorry. But if you remember from the last video, there was a wall here and there. This is where the hallway was. So it's almost completely opened up. They have to take down one more wall area. Here's an old chimney from when I'm sure they had a wood-burning stove, and right over there's one of the major leaking areas. So we will probably bump this up this direction to make us a little bit more room in the storage area. Here's the back room. You can really see the wall and our foliage coming in the window. So, it's exciting. It's just crazy. I mean, it feels 10 times bigger. I'm sorry, I'm shaking, I'm cold. But we're excited, so stay tuned.